How to become a real estate investor with bad credit. Do you want to invest in real estate because you know it's the #1 way to wealth, but your bad credit is stopping you? Well, I used to have the worst credit. I literally was bankrupt, had bad credit, multiple foreclosures, but I started investing in real estate and today I'm a multi-millionaire. In this video, I'm going to share with you all the secrets on how you actually invest in real estate, make money, and do it even with bad credit. Let's go.
Noel. Yeah, she can fix that. If you gotta get it done, no, you need to do it better. Well, she can fix that. Yeah, she can fix that. Investment to get back, trying to get a big stack. She can fix that. Let's fix that.
In this video, I'm going to share with you a simple step-by-step process on how to invest in real estate, even if you have bad credit, even if you have no job and no money like I did. In this video, I'm going to share with you 3 simple ways on how you invest in real estate without spending a lot and without even being an expert in this. And then last but not least, I'm going to share with you the biggest secret that my coach taught me that I paid him thousands of dollars to teach me. I'm going to teach you for free. Real estate investing is the #1 way to wealth. Over 89% of all millionaires have been created so through real estate. But the issue is most of us think that we need tons of money to get started. And more importantly, if we don't have lots of money, then we need good credit so that we can get financing, funding, and things like that. But there are some secret ways to invest in real estate that almost no one is talking about. And this is how I got started. So I'm going to share with you exactly how to get it done and give you some even more creative ways that are working right now in these times that we are living in now. Wholesaling. Wholesaling real estate is a very easy way to get started in real estate. And it is truly how I got started in real estate the correct way. Let me explain. I literally started investing in real estate in the early 2000s when I was in my early 20s. I just started fixing and flipping houses with a full-time job. Literally, I was living in Atlanta, Georgia. I was young, had no kids, and my coworkers were flipping houses that we found with a real estate agent. Well, when 2007 and 2008 hit, we lost everything. Because we were flipping houses the wrong way and we had never educated ourselves on how to do it the right way, we did not even know about wholesaling or wholesalers. Wholesaling is when you find people that are in distress, people that are behind on their mortgage payments, maybe before they hit foreclosure, maybe they lost their job, they're in bankruptcy, they're in divorce, maybe it's probate, maybe the house caught fire. There's some type of distress and you get those people under contract and then you flip or you assign those contracts to an investor for a profit. Well, wholesalers still exist. They've existed for many, many years, and this is a great way to find off-market deals. These are deals where you're dealing directly with the seller because they are in a distressful situation and there's not a real estate agent or a real estate broker that's involved. Well, one of the things that you could do is you literally can become a wholesaler. This is what I did when I was living in my parents' basement. So after I lost everything, we lost our houses, we left from Atlanta and moved back to my parents' basement in Bloomfield, Connecticut, I started going to classes, seminars, conferences, and learning about real estate. Well, when I learned about real estate, my coach taught me about wholesaling. He taught me how to start putting out signs, how to start sending letters, and how to start marketing to people that were behind on their mortgage payments because this was public knowledge. Well, when someone is behind on their mortgage payment, they get sent something called a notice of default. And literally, you can market and send letters to everyone that has received a notice of default. Well, voila, in less than 6 weeks, I had a deal by sending out letters and putting out signs to people that were behind on their mortgage payments. Then I flipped those contracts for $5,000 to investors that would do fix and flips and wanted rental properties. This was an amazing way for me to get started because I had bad credit, I had no job, I was living in my parents' basement, and I had no money. I literally only had to spend money mailing letters, so I only spent like maybe $100 to get my first deal. This is how you can invest in real estate with bad credit and start making money. Just imagine if you could take $100 and easily turn that into a $5,000 deal. Well, that's what I did, and that's how I got my first deal. Well, let me keep going because there are other ways that you can invest in real estate even with bad credit. Partnering. The second way that I was able to start investing in real estate with bad credit was by partnering with my coach. Literally, like I said, the first deals that I got were just wholesale deals. Well, by like my third deal, I was able to partner on my coach with a fix and flip, and I was able to make over $17,000. Literally, I would still find the people, I would market and find people that were in distress, and then me and my coach decided we would fix and flip the property, because fix and flips on average make about $65,000 in profit. Literally, look this up, over $65,000 in profit on just one fix and flip. So if you're just getting started and you have bad credit, wholesaling is an amazing way to start. You can pick up $5,000 on a couple of deals. But then if you can do a fix and flip, your average profit would be over $65,000. Just think about that for a second. How many fix and flip deals would you need to make in order to replace your income, quit your job, and then start doing it full time? Well, that's what I did. So when on the second deal where I partnered with my coach, I found the deal. He did the financing, he found the contractor and all those things. And then when the property sold, we split the profit 70-30. And that's how I ended up with $17,000. I did not wholesale the property to him. I literally partnered with him. Yes, I had to wait longer to get my money. I could have gotten the $5,000 up front, but instead I decided to wait because I had already done some wholesale deals, and that's how I got $17,000. And more importantly, I was able to see how my coach did the renovation, how he did the rehab, so I could learn and I could start doing my own fix and flips, and that's what I started doing years later. Fix your credit. I know this sounds crazy, but if you have bad credit, you literally can fix your credit and start doing fix and flips and things like that. You can call my friends at �creativeCreditSolutions.net and use the code below. You can tell them that 𝗀𝗃 sent you, and they will literally give you a free consultation to help you fix your credit. I'm going to share with you some more ways on how you can invest in real estate with bad credit, but an easy way to start investing in real estate and get tons of funding and even open up your doors to funding would be to fix your personal credit. You literally can fix your personal credit in just a matter of months. It does not cost a lot of money, and in many cases, it won't take you a long time. Everybody's situation is different, but my friends at �creativeCreditSolutions.net can help almost anyone, and they will give you a free consultation. If you use the link below, you will let them know that 𝗀𝗃 sent you, that you're a special friend of mine, and they will give you that free consultation and give you a plan to fix your credit, and then you can invest in real estate with bad credit or with your new good credit that you get from �creativeCreditSolutions.net. Build business credit. Another amazing thing that you can do to invest in real estate with bad credit is literally build business credit. So most of what we do in real estate investing revolves around us having our own LLC. You literally can get an LLC, get an EIN, a website, and a few other things and start building business credit. This way you will have a completely separate credit profile than your personal credit profile. Literally, when it comes to business credit, there are 3 credit bureaus. You have Dun & Bradstreet, you have Equifax Business, and you have Experian Business. All 3 of these business credit bureaus are separate from personal credit bureaus like TransUnion, Equifax, and Experian, and only business credit will report to the Business Credit Reporting Agency. This will essentially allow you to have 2 profiles for free. You have your own personal credit profile with your personal social security number, and then you can have a business credit profile with your business credit and your EIN. Literally, this can open up the door to millions of dollars in funding in your business's name, and you can get business credit cards, business loans, and business lines of credit that you can use to buy real estate. You also can fix and flip homes in your business's name by using LLCs and get hard money loans, private money loans, and different types of loans to fix and flip houses in your business's name. So starting an LLC and getting that business formation and registered with the Secretary of State can allow you to invest in real estate even with bad credit. And more importantly, it can open up the door for millions of dollars of funding in your business's name, and you don't even have to fix your personal credit in order to get this done. However, my friends at Creative Credit Solutions can help you fix your credit and help you get business credit too through their other companies. Check them out. There are so many ways to invest in real estate, and you can even do it with bad credit. If you have bad credit, please use the link below and check out my friends at �creativeCreditSolutions.net, and you'll see the link below that says /𝗀𝗃 so that they know that you came from me and you're a friend of 𝗀𝗃, and they will give you a free consultation and they will put you on a preferred list and help you fix your personal credit. If you are trying to invest in real estate and you're even looking for business funding, they even have a separate company that helps with business credit, and they may be able to help you with that as well. In any situation, you can invest in real estate and start making money, but the ball is in your court. You can fix your credit, or you can keep bad credit and start building business credit and still invest in real estate. Either way, you can do it and you can make lots of money. So use the link below and go to creativecreditsolutions.net right now and fix that credit. I just want to make sure that you have all of the resources, all of the tools, and all of the knowledge that you need to be successful. This is Noelle. To your success.